In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have it, you can download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and open the application, then click add getting started to create your account. Of course, if you want to follow a tutorial, you'll find out how to create your account or how to register in one of our videos on this channel. Just go check it out. So this is an example. You already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Coinbase application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow these tutorial steps. So let's just wait until the application actually loads. And as you can see from here, that will actually be your home or your main screen on the Coinbase application. So of course, if you want to deposit money from Coinbase application, of course, first of all, you will have the option of depositing like crypto if you want. So of course, you can just go and click at receive, choose whatever crypto you want from here, of course. And as you can see, you will find whatever crypto you want, and you can just go paste the address where you will send from, and you will be actually good to deposit your crypto. But if you want to deposit money maybe from your bank account, all you need to do, just open the procoinbase.com trade/trade. Of course, you'll find out, or you'll find it right here on the browser section. So just go and click on that out. We're having connection issues. We'll look into it right now. Your friends are safe. So for me, I have connections, of course. I'm using it actually on a simulator. So maybe I'll not have the full options. But for you, if you go right here, just go type in the search or type URL, type pro.coinbase.com/trade. Then on the left hand column, under wallet balance, select deposit. In the currency type field, select USD, then or whatever like assets that you are working on your or you are using on your account. Then all you need to do is select the bank account tab. Then from the down menu, select the verify bank account you would like to deposit from. So then you'd like to enter the amount that you want to deposit, and they will actually ask you or send you a code. Just enter it and review your order and then submit it, and you will find your you'll find your assets or your money on right here on your assets. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.